Multiply 28 by 26 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 6. 6 times 8 is 48. Put 8 in this column and carry 4. 6 times 2 plus the carried 4 is 16. The first partial product is 168. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 8 is 16. Put 6 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 5. The second partial product is 560. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the tens column, 6 plus 6 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the hundreds column, 1 plus 5 plus the carried 1 is 7. The whole negative number product is 728. So 28 times 26 is 728.